What's going on, guys? Emoji here and welcome to another video. In this video I'm showing you guys how you can order your own Tesla CyberTruck. As you guys can see, I have already ordered mine, and ordering your Tesla CyberTruck is a relatively very simple process. All you have to do is go to your browser, enter tesla.com, and you might need to change the country you're in. So I'm based in Canada and it's set correctly to Canada English, and then I'm gonna select which product I want. So it's gonna be CyberTruck, and then I'm gonna click on order now. Now I get all these options, and I'm gonna select the dual motor AWD, which is for all-wheel drive. In case you want the full self-driving, you can add that as well. One thing to note is that as soon as I clicked on the order page for CyberTruck, it changed it to United States, so you'll have to just select the country, and yep, it got updated now to the Canadian version, which is what I wanted. So one thing to note is that the pricing currently is not available in Canadian dollars for the CyberTruck. I would expect it to be somewhere close to the US values. And yeah, and then you click on buy now, enter your account details. You're only going to be charged $150 for the pre-order, and once the car is close to production, they're gonna send you the details, and yeah, you will be able to finalize your order then. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys find it useful. Bye.